let's proceed with the second example on special cases, which is integrate sine of ln x dx. So if you see that you need to integrate something with ln inside, so this is a hint that you should use IBP. So let's see here, even though you have only one function, so you still can do IBP, no problem. So since this is only one function, for sure this is your u, and the rest of them should be your dv. So let's do this. Let u as equal to sine of ln x, and your dv is equal to dx. So let's differentiate this. Du over dx is equal to, so this should be chain rule. We have composite function, a function inside another function. So let's do chain rule. Differentiate outside and then further differentiate inside. So differentiate sine ayam is just cos ayam, and further differentiate inside, this is just 1 over x. So let's multiply this together. Therefore, du is equal to cos of ln x over x dx. So now let's focus on dv equal to dx. Therefore, v is equal to x. So now let's take the question and let's open up the formula. uv minus integrate v du. So let's do this. u v minus integrate v du. Okay, so the first part is already settled. Let's just focus on the second part. You can see that you have a common term. Let us cancel out. So you are left with integrate cos of ln x dx. So again, you need to use IBP. So since this is the only function, so let's name this as your u, and the rest of this should be your dv. So let's do this. Let u as equal to cos of ln x, while your dv is equal to dx. Let's further differentiate. Du over dx is equal to, so again this is chain rule, differentiate outside then differentiate inside. So differentiate cos ayam is just minus sine ayam, further differentiate ayam, which is 1 over x. Therefore your du is just cross multiply this dx here, so du is equal to negative sine of ln x over x dx. So settle with that. Let's focus on dv equal to dx. Therefore, v is just equal to x. So now we are ready to open up the IBP formula here. The first part, as usual, just write it back and put a big bracket here in order to open up the formula of IBP, the second IBP here. So let's do this. u v minus integrate v du. All right, and let's focus here. Let's try to open up. This is just copy and paste minus this. Okay, let's expand this minus this function here, and then let's look at this one. Minus times minus is plus, and then plus times minus, again this will become minus. So integrate. Let's focus here. So you have a common term x. Let's cancel out. So you're left with sine of ln x dx. So at this level here, you should realize that again you have met the same question as what you have been asked earlier. Okay, so this is ayam, this is also ayam. So let's bring this to the other side. This is minus, bring it here, it becomes plus. So ayam plus ayam is equal to 2 ayam. And just rewrite back the two terms that you have here. And let us simplify our answer here. This is the question, so let's remain this one here. And this 2 here, just get rid, just divide it on the other side. So let's bring 2 to the other side, so you'll have half. And you can see that you have a common term. Let's factorize it outside. And then you are left inside with sine ln x minus cos ln x. Don't forget to write your plus c. So that's the end for the second example of special cases of IB.